5 different paper bag making business investment. Plan 1. Paper bag making business at home. A basic creasing machine is enough to begin a home-based unit. Women can handle manual folding, pasting and finishing, making it one of the most practical paper bag making business ideas. The paper bag manufacturing plant costs stay extremely low. 70,000 rupees for a creasing machine and 2,75,000 rupees for a printing machine. Is paper bag making business is profitable or not under Plan 1? Yes. Producing 1,000 bags a day gives a net margin of 945 rupees per day, 28,350 rupees per month and 344,925 rupees annually. Even with manual labor, this model proves that paper bag manufacturing business can deliver steady cash flow. By 2026, more than 100 countries have banned single-use plastics. This is not just policy, it's a global emotional shift. People are choosing sustainability. Plan 2. Paper bag making business ideas under 5 lakh rupees. The FTC Super Deluxe machine produces 7,000 covers per hour. Using 80 GSM paper at 37 rupees per kilogram, total cost becomes 47 rupees per kilogram, selling at 55 rupees per kilogram. Profit is 8 rupees per kilogram, giving 40,000 rupees per month. This model strengthens mid-scale paper bag making business investment and keeps paper bag manufacturing plant costs affordable. India has a unique emotional advantage. Plastic is a petroleum product, imported in dollars, vulnerable to global conflicts, sanctions, and supply chain shocks like the 2026 Hormuz crisis. But paper is Indian. Our forests, our mills, our manufacturing strength, all rooted in our soil. No foreign dependency, no currency volatility, no geopolitical risk. Plan 3. Paper bag making business ideas under 10 lakh rupees. Plan 3 produces both V-bottom and square bottom bags. Labor efficiency is high. One person manually bottom folding and pasting can make 950 bags per shift. A 12 by 5 by 16 inch bag costs 6 rupees to manufacture and sells at 8 rupees, giving 2 rupees profit per bag. Producing 5,000 bags per shift earns 10,000 rupees per day. This clearly answers paper bag making business is profitable or not, with strong daily returns. Global demand is rising. Indian supply is scaling. USA's fast-growing delivery brand GoPuff already procures paper bags from India. Tetpack, the world's largest packaging giant, set up its manufacturing unit here. Plan 4. Paper bag making business ideas under 30 lakh rupees. This model uses 3 machines: roll to tube, square bottom opening, and square bottom folding. It supports all types of SOS covers, handle bags, and board bags. Costs range from 8,50,000 rupees to 11,50,000 rupees per machine. Profit per bag ranges from 4 rupees to 4 rupees and 55 paise depending on paper type. This flexibility makes paper bag manufacturing business scalable and future ready. Plan 5. Paper bag making business ideas under 50 lakh rupees. This plan is ideal for premium multicolor, UV, textured and board-based bags. Sheet to tube, opening and folding machines allow production from 100 grams per square meter to 280 grams per square meter. Manufacturing cost is 6 rupees and 40 paise per bag. Selling price is 12 rupees, giving 6 rupees profit per bag. Producing 10,000 bags per shift earns 60,000 rupees per day. This proves again that paper bag making business is profitable or not, and the answer is a strong yes. Global plastic production has exploded from 234 million tons in 2000 to 460 million tons in 2019 and is projected to reach 736 million tons by 2040. Yet, only 6% will be recycled. When the world is drowning in plastic, every retail shop choosing paper bags becomes an act of protection for our soil, our oceans, our children. And for entrepreneurs, this is the moment to start a paper bag making business. Not just to earn, but to lead a movement. Choose paper today so tomorrow can breathe.